Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how to speed up your Windows. In just 3 steps you can increase and speed up your Windows. So let's go. The first step is to go to Task Manager and go to Startup part and disable those applications that you don't need to run while your computer is starting up. Disable these applications. Step 2. Press Windows plus R to open Run Windows and type %temp and enter. Delete these files. These are dump files that slow down your Windows. You don't need these files. Delete all of them. Step 3. Right click on my computer and go to Properties. Scroll down, select Advanced System Settings. Go to Settings, select Adjust for Best Performance and press OK. Restart your computer and check it out. If it worked, don't forget to like and subscribe.